Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the Gear-Top Car Awning Sun Sail. This is a waterproof large awning car with two poles for a car and for camping. You can attach this to your SUV or to your MPV. Wow, this is a motorhome. Generous motorhome awning with the dimensions of 3.5 to 5.8 meter. This offers a spacious shade area of 16 square meters and thus a safe, comfortable protection in the great outdoors area. We enjoy the cozy feeling of the home outside. The camping awning is equipped with two height adjustable telescopic poles. You can adjust it from 183 up to 212 centimeters. This guarantees a stable support and a reliable hold in the different weather conditions and in different terrains. Thanks to the two large suction cups, this awning is incredibly easy and tool-free to assemble. We simply attach it to the side of the vehicle and we can enjoy instant shade and protection. That's perfect for short breaks or long stays. And despite its generous coverage, because this awning weighs only 4.3 kilograms, this makes it easy to transport and to store. This is ideal for road trips, picnics and outdoor events. Easily take them with you on all our adventures without unnecessary weights or volumes. And it's made of rubber's 210T ripstop polyester with orange bindings. This awning is tear resistant and has a water column of 3000 millimeters to withstand rain and UV rays in all seasons. This car's side awning is ideal for camping and overlanding, beach and pool days, tailgating, barbecues, road trips, immersion shelters, or any other outdoor activities. This is a vehicle side tarp. Beyond shelter means beyond ordinary. It's waterproof fabric. Yeah, quick setup and easy to carry. We stay wild and we have fun while we're doing that. It's really easy to set up, as you can see. It's fast, reliable, and easy peasy, of course. You can see how fast it works. It was at the first assembling, it was about 30 minutes, but you can make this, if you have a little bit experience, you can adjust this pole in 10 up to 50 minutes. And we have adjustable height from the 183 to 212 centimeter. And we can easily adjust the height according to our preferences or needed. And we have 16 square meter large shade area. That matches to 4 up to 6 people underneath. We can camp canopy ready in a flash. The car side awnings tarp is designed to be 120 centimeters wide. It fits off the most vehicles models effortlessly, like trucks, SUVs, Jeep, MPV, and bigger cars. The weight is only 4.3 kilograms. We get 2 suction caps, 6 giant lines, and 6 stacks. Then we have 2 poles, and of course the tarp. Easy peasy, baby. Fast assembling and fast disassembling. That's the Gear-Top Automarkers. Yeah, that looks great. Have a good time out there with that nice stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!